let me show you 3 highly profitable setups that I trade in the market. These setups are always going to be printed on the chart every day. So if you trade 3 to 5 pairs, you are sure of seeing at least 2 to 3 trades every day. And even if you don't have any experience in trading, once you can master these 3 setups I'm going to show you, believe me, you can start making profits almost immediately. Because one rule in the trading game is that, as far as I can see, that is how much you are going to make. So let me show you this 3 setup. Pay attention to it. Make sure you memorize it and look out for it on the charts across all pairs, whether currency pairs, synthetic indices, stocks, crypto, or anything at all. It works on all of them. So let's go to the charts. Let me show you these 3 setups, these 3 powerful setups that has made me a lot of profit in the market. Now we are on the charts. As you can see here, this is the first kind of setup. It is a setup whereby you want to see price trending. This is the bearish setup and this is the bullish setup. So you want to see price trending. You want to see a trending price that is giving you a kind of trending pattern like this. So you are able to place your trend line at the low here, and then you want to see price push up and then come down here. You are going to see what we call a change of character. Okay, you can see where I have this line. This is where price changed character. It broke the trend line and also broke this low. This is it. Once you see this kind of setup, guys, you are ready to, cash in. Should be ready to cash in without hesitation. So here, as price breaks out from this trend line and this low, you wait for a retest. As price goes back to retest, that is where you take your trade, just like this. Screenshots, or you can pause this video and observe this setup very well. Then go back to the charts. Look for it. Find at least 50 to 100 of these repetitions and see how they played out. Believe me, when you practice in a space of 1 week, you can become very profitable with just these 3 setups I'm going to be showing you. This is another one here. This was the one where we look for bearish trade. You want to go short here, or here you want to go long. So this is the same setup. Okay, so price was trending downwards here, and you place your trend line, and you can see price broke the trend line and also broke this high, giving you want to get a change of character, and then you wait for a retest. So here price pulled back to this area to retest it, and you can see you make your entry, and then that's it, targeting this high as you targeted this low here. You can see it. So that is it. It's very simple. Just master this thing, guys. Train your eyes to be able to identify these things on the chart, because it is as far as your eyes can see that you will possess. But if you can't see anything in the market, there is nothing for you. So master this thing. Let me show you the next one. This is the next one. Here we have a support level. Look at this, guys. A support level. Price came to the support, pushed up, came again, pushed up, came again, pushed up. Now when it was pushing up here, you can see what happened. It was creating this trend, low, higher low, just like that. So you place a trend line on the lows. Now price comes, breaks the trend line, didn't give any retest, continue dropping and broke the support level here. You can see, and then you wait for the test. Now price pulled back. Look at where the other block was. This is the supply zone. So price pulled back there to retest. It is a retest of both the trend line and this supply zone here. You can see that. So once you see this, there is no time for you to start hesitating. Just take your trade immediately. Once you see this, know that heaven has remembered you. Take your trade here, and you can see what happened. Price came crashing down. This is so simple. Go to your chart and also look for this one. This is the next one here. I love this one so much. Now look at this. Price was coming down and gave you this kind of trend. Look at it. Give you this kind of setup. Now you place your trend line, waiting for price to come back to this other block here to retest it. Remember, price broke your trend line and also broke this low here. So you are waiting for price to come back to this extreme supply zone here to come and retest it. Now when price is going back, look at how it went back. It created another trend setup here. Look at it. You can place another trend line, which means price is going down systematically. It's going back to retest it systematically. It's not a very aggressive pullback. So when I see this kind of setup here, I have my trend line here, and the retest also creates another trend line. I know that this one is going to be a very high probability setup. So you can see, as soon as price got to the other block here, look at the other block here. As soon as price got to it, you can see the rejection. First rejection, second rejection, it dropped. So you should have been able to take your trade here at this supply level here, and then price broke this trend line also, and as soon as it gets to retest it, because definitely when it breaks it, it's going to come back to retest it, so it becomes a second opportunity for you to re-enter again and make more money. So here you take your trade, you take a second trade here, place your stop loss above, so your stop loss is above for the two trades, and now once price comes down to this low here, you can bring your stop loss to this entry here, to this very entry here, and then you want to target this low, and then you can let others run. You understand? That's how you do it. Now you can see what happened. You can see how the price just dropped. So guys, these are the setups. Screenshot this thing, or you can just pause it. Go to your chart, look for this kind of setups. Believe me, you are going to become very profitable, even if you are not, even if today is your first day of coming to trading. Once you can master these patterns, this setup I've shown you here, these three setups, you can become profitable almost immediately. Just train your eyes to be able to see them and enter them the way I've shown you. So let me show you all of them again. So this one, the last one here, then this is the second one here. You can see it. Look at the setup, look at it very well, memorize it, and go to the chart to look for it. Then this is the last one here. This is it. So it's very simple, guys. So if there is anyone wanting to make more video on in particular, like the first, second, and third one, if there's anyone wanting to make video particularly on, just let me know in the comment box below, okay? So meanwhile, like this video, share, and also drop your comments in the comment box. Let me know where you're watching from. So there is a Telegram link in the description box. Click the link and join my Telegram channel, where I drop chart setups and free signals on daily basis. So you can also contact me for mentorship. Let me teach you, let me guide you to become profitable in the markets. Let me carry you along in my live trading sessions. You can also join my signal group. You can also contact me for account management and all that. So this is me saying it can only get better. Never give up. Goodbye.